This game is very skillful for the individuals who are well-being in maths, or the persons who are beginners or initiators who are learning in the maths. So we will get into the game. So before we get into the game, kindly subscribe my channels and click the bell icon for the further notification of the updating video in this channel. Thank you. Shall we get into this video? So in this game, I will ask you to tell, I will ask you to keep one number in your mind, and after you keeping that number in your mind, or after you think one number in your mind, I will tell some mathematical operations to proceed on the number. So you must have to follow that mathematical operation on the number. Finally you will get one answer. I will reveal that answer. Okay, so I will reveal that answer. Okay, whether the answer I revealed is correct or not, kindly comment that answer in my comment box. Okay, shall we get into the game? So first step, in step number 1, kindly think any one number by yourself. That may be within 10 or about 10, that is not concerned. Kindly think one number in your mind. I also, you thought one number in your mind. Okay, so that is the first step. In second step, in step 2, what the number you think in your mind, just multiply that number by 2. Just multiply that number by 2. Whatever the number you think in the first step, just multiply the number by 2. So I hope so you multiply the number by 2. So you got one answer. You got one answer. So that is the primary answer. Okay. First answer what you got, that is called primary answer. Now take this answer and in step 3, now we move to the step 3. Just take this answer, this primary answer, and add that answer with the 20. Add that answer with the 20. So what the answer you got, the step 2 is the primary answer. Just make this primary answer adding with the 20. So I hope so you got one answer. Again one answer you got, that is the secondary answer. Okay. So clearly listen, think one step, think one number in the first step, just multiply the number by 2 in the second step, you get one answer. Consider that as a primary answer. You make this primary answer to get add with the 20 in the step 3, and you get another one answer. That answer is the secondary answer. So now the secondary answer now you got. Now in step 4, what the secondary answer you got in the step 3? What the secondary answer you got in the step 3? Kindly divide. Kindly divide that. What the secondary answer you got in the step 3? Kindly divide that answer by 2 in step 4. So once again I am telling, what the secondary answer you got in the step 3, kindly you divide by 2. So now you got one answer. So this is the tertiary answer. So now what you do in step 5, you just, what the original number you think in the step 1, what the original number you think in the step 1, you kindly subtract the tertiary answer and the number what you think in the step 1. So once again I am telling, in step 4, what the tertiary answer you got. Okay, you kindly subtract the tertiary answer with the original number what you thought in step 1. Kindly you do. So I hope so now you got one answer. So that answer, now I am revealing that answer. You got the answer 10. I hope so. You got the answer 10. If it is correct, kindly you mention that in the comment box. So how I judge? Now I am coming to the revealing point of this game. How I can tell you got the answer 10. So for example, I will play this game once again. In this first, for example, and considering some number like 3 I am considering. Now in first step I am considering my original number 3, and in second step I am just multiplying the 3 by 2. So 3 into 2 is equal to 6. So this is my primary answer. The 6 is my primary answer. Now I am going to do is I am just taking this primary answer and adding the primary answer with the 20 in step 3. So when I am adding this 20 plus 6 is 26. This is the secondary answer. This is the second answer in step 3. Now I am coming to the step 4. In step 4, if you see, I am just dividing the secondary answer by 2. So I just divided 26 by 2. 13. 13 is the number which is got as a tertiary answer. Now in step 5, what I am going to do is I am just subtracting this tertiary answer with the original number what I got in step 1. With the original number what I got in step 1. That is 13 minus 3. So 13 is the tertiary answer which I got in the step 4. And 3 is the original number which I thought in step 1. So when I minus this 13 by 3, 10. So any number you can apply, 4, 5, 10, 12, 20, 40, 60, any number you can apply, you can get this 10 as the answer. So I hope so you enjoy this game. So what is the scope of this game? Why we are playing this game? Okay, so mostly maths, all of them are considering that is a tough subject like that. But my point of view, I also the one person who considered in my schooling days maths is very tough subject is like. But the thing is, which make the maths is we have to follow some pattern. So the pattern will make the maths easy to us. Some rules and some patterns. For other subjects, I hope so there is no rules or patterns will be there. But to be very intelligent in maths, we have to follow some rules and patterns like this, some patterns. So any number you can apply in this pattern, you get the answer as the 10. So this like only the maths will be. Some rules, some patterns will be there in each concept. So how you are riding one bike or riding one bicycle in out of your home or on a road. You must follow some rules and regulations. Then only you can safely ride that two-wheeler, car or cycle. If you didn't follow the rules and regulations, then it will lead to major accidents or minor accidents sometimes. So like this only the maths. Why we are feeling tough? The maths is very tough means the thing we must have to follow some patterns. We must have to follow some rules. So if we catch up in the pattern or rules, whatever the number we are change and ask question means you can able to tell the answer like what here it is happening. So we are just understanding this concept alone. We are changing the number. Anyway, we are getting the answer as correctly because we are cope up with this pattern. So kindly, whenever you are going to any one concept in maths or you are going through any one new concept in maths or new portion in maths, kindly you try to understand the pattern or the rules or the concept of that. So if you understand the concept or the pattern, if you understand the concept by updating the pattern or the rules, you can able to do that concept very easily. So that is the only thing which makes the maths very easier. So I hope so this is very useful for you. So thank you for watching my videos. We can meet the pattern or the rules. You can able to do that concept very easily. So that is the only thing which makes the maths very easier. So I hope so this is very useful for you.